Welcome to the Perfect Treatment TV to exploit a lot of knowledge. Backaches can be considered one of the most common problems faced by people around the world. It is also a common symptom for different kinds of illnesses. The pain is mainly located in the center of the back, along the spine or in both sides of the spine. The primary reasons for backaches are strain, fatigue and lack of balance. Backaches can be caused due to an accident or injury to the spine or some other kinds of diseases. Other reasons for backache can be as simple as the way you sit in your office to increasing age, pregnancy, ulcer of the stomach, liver congestion, gallstones, cystitis, high-heeled shoes, unstable nervous system and many other. Take baobab oil mix together with castor oil, wait for seconds then add halmit, in other word is called hearty tea, in Arabic and Swahili language is called halmi tea. It is likely a salt but differ from taste and shape. Halmit is thin and long-shaped. The mixture of baobab oil, castor oil, and halmi tea is most famous cure of backache permanent in Tanzania. To accompany the first remedy, you are advised to take 1/4 liter of honey and mix together with habatus sauda powder. The habatus sauda is called in different names such as Nigella sativa, black cumin and kalonji, all these mean the same thing. After getting the mixture of honey and habatus sauda, use 3 teaspoons of the mixture to eat 3 times a day until the backache stop. Use a heating pad or a hot water bottle and apply it on the hurting area to ease the pain. You can also massage the ice on your back, but not directly. Whichever makes you feel better, you can try it either hot or cold. Stopping smoking can prevent backaches. Garlic is a great remedy, too. Having 2 to 3 cloves of garlic every morning may give you the required results. Garlic oil rubbed on our back also works to provide you a positive result. A mixture of powdered dry ginger, sweet soda and salt if consumed with hot milk or water can alleviate your backache problems. Fish oil consumed daily is also a great way to combat this problem. Keep yourself warm and eat hot food. Make a concoction by boiling 10 tulsi leaves in 1 cup of water. Keep boiling until the water is reduced to half. Once this solution is cooled, add salt and consume it every day. If suffering from severe backache problems, have it twice a day. Another way to reduce acute lower back problem is to get a good number of laps in a warm pool of water, or mix half a gram of cinnamon powder with 1 teaspoon of honey and eat this mixture at least twice a day for best results. Fresh yarrow juice is a great way to strengthen the back muscles. This may help in preventing the back problem.